Okay.
Fine, okay, is very.
Okay. So I think now all the participant can join and no issue is there. Okay. So the third problem that we are going to discuss. Nishu, have you finished with the previous one, the insertion shot?
Yes, sir.
Show the code. Wait a minute, I need to give the permission, right? Okay. You can share your screen now. Okay. Okay, run the code. Okay, fine. Okay. So what we are talking about, that the third program we need to do here, that is the program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. Program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. This particular problem we need to do under the part of dictionary program, right? So we previously in our last classes we have the concept of dictionary program. So now you people just go on and start the program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. Program to remove all the duplicate words in a sentence.
Is it a syllabus or assignment?
It is into the syllabus and you people need to do it right now.
I have done for a string only, not for a dictionary. So
Shubham,
maybe
your
this is
voice is not clearly audible. There are some noise coming. Okay, so try if it can be reduced. Otherwise, you can type in the chat box. I can see it and I will. I can understand that what you are trying to say.
so I was saying that I have done for a string only, not for a dictionary. In
No,
last class, you have given us
yes,
the assignment.
yes. The thing is that it is under the part of dictionary, but you need to do it in a string. The sentence is a string. Okay, so if you have done with the string, then it is okay. That needs to do. So can you show me that what you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so share the screen. Just wait. I stop mine. Okay, so show me the code and then I will check.
1 second, sir. Let me just recheck it. I
Okay,
have
okay,
done
okay,
that day.
fine, no issue.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Yes, Shivam.
Yes, sir. Just taking a simple in a string format. I'm splitting it. Then I have taken a list in which I am just co-
Run the code. I am telling a string for you. Okay.
Is it audible, sir?
Yes, I can hear your voice, Shivam. So you run the code.
Okay, sir.
I will tell a string. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write a string that is Ronaldinho,
Mm-hmm.
Ronaldo, Ronaldo is a good, again then player, then 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 football. Okay. So now Ronaldinho is a good player in football. Okay, fine. Okay, means this is the thing actually we need to do. Okay, means it is the part of dictionary, but it is the concept of string. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Shivam, you have done it. No issue, because I have told you people to do this in our last class, and I am going to check today. Okay, fine, Shivam. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I can see Dolly and Pallavi also raised their hand. So I am going for Dolly first. So Dolly, share your screen. Okay, run the code.
Any
Oh,
string I will put here.
yes, Dolly, you can put any string that contains several duplicate words.
Okay.
Okay. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, fine. Okay, Dolly, thank you. So next, Pallavi. Okay. So you have taken the string, or you have put the string from your own. Okay, fine. And could split the values. Okay. Okay, run the code. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Pallavi. So Pallavi, Dolly, and Shubham have done the code. So I will wait for Nishu and Shivam so that they can finish. And by the time we are going to check what new program we can do here. Okay. So here a new concept we will talk about. Okay. Okay. Look, not new. I am going to give you one more problem. That is the searching algorithm or searching program. So wait a minute. What searching program we can do first? Okay. Uh, Two searching problems you people need to do. One is linear search, and other one is binary search. Okay. So linear search and the binary search concept you people know previously from the third semester, because in your data structure these were present, linear search and binary search. So finish these two topics, linear search and binary search, code these two in Python, linear and binary search, and then I am going to check two at one. Okay, not two. First, finished with the linear search. First, finished with the linear search. So do the programming of linear search, and then I am going to check it, and then we are moving for binary search. Okay, so first start the program of linear search. So can anyone tell me that what is the concept of linear search? How the process means, what is the process for linear search? Anyone? Dolly, Afrin, Nishu, Pallavi, Shivam, Shubham. Can anyone tell me that what is the logic or the process of linear search?
It simply compares with all the array element from initial to last.
Okay, and then when we are finding the values, then it will return us what? The value or the index position of the array or list in
So it
Python means.
depends. So it depends on us. We can get basically we requires the position.
Okay, so in linear search, what we need means any type of searching, what we need if the array element is present. If the element is present in the array, then we will the output can be saying that yes, the array is present, the element is present in the array and it is present in this particular this index position. So this should be the output, right? So now you people start the code of linear search and then I am going to check one by one. So linear search is a very easy concept and easy in programming also. So start doing it and then we are going to check.
Can I show my previous code, sir?
Yes, Nishu, surely. Okay, so Nishu, you have taken the string from your own. Okay, fine, and run the code. Nishu, just slide your output window to the right. The thing is sky is blue and you have replaced the sky with star, right? But
Yes.
my problem is that I am not asking for it. I am saying it that you have mentioned sky 2 times, right? So the
Yes, sir.
output should be the sky, the is blue. The second time the sky will not reflect. So whatever the duplicate words will be there, that will be removed or delete, not replaced by any other term.
Oh, okay, sir.
You have done another thing. You have done a problem that you have changed or replaced the word with some other word or whatever means particular symbols, anything, right? I don't need that. I am asking for to remove if any duplicate words are present. You need to remove that.
Oh, sir, simply space.
Means you have written what in the string sky. The sky is blue, right?
Yes, sir.
The output will be sky, comma, the is blue. The second time the sky will not be there.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, means not replace. It will be removed or delete.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now we have moved for the topic of linear searching. So Dolly, Pallavi, Shivam, Shubham, and Afrin will show me the code of linear searching, and Nishu also try the previous one and show me. Okay. And Nishu, if any problem, you can tell me. If any help is required regarding the last problem, okay. So we will discuss that if anything is required, or else you can try from your own side. And if still any problem exists, you can tell us so that we can have a discussion on that.
Sir, can you show me the code of previous one?
Okay, surely there is no an issue. So Shubham, I would like you to share your screen on the last program of that removed and delete a word from a string and help us or discuss on that so that Nishu can see it and have an idea that what we need to do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So all can interrupt, all can pause their coding of linear search now, and we will just have a discuss on that, and then we will continue. Fine, Shubham, you can continue.
So I have to explain it or not?
Yes, you need to explain it so that Nishu can understand.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I have at line 4, simply I have taken insertion of string, then I'm splitting it then I have taken an empty list. Then I am taking a for loop from that whatever the sentence is splitted it word. Then I am taking the condition if in this string is the length of the string is counted and it's comparing, and then it's adding append in the list is just to add it. So it's appending, then it's printing by the space in between giving the space.
Yes. So here it is happening that a split function have used here. So while
Yeah.
the function split function is used, so whatever the string is there, it splitted the total string. It is splitting the total string into the different words, and then the words is counted. So if any words is counted many times, if duplicate words are found, then that duplicate words will be deleted or removed, and only
Deleted,
it
yes.
will be counted the single one time whatever the words we are founding. Okay, so that will be append at the end, and then it will be showing or it will be getting printed. This is the simple concept. Okay, Nishu, do you have any
Do I
query?
need to
Just
do I
wait a
need to
minute,
run?
Shubham. So no need to run. No. Okay, so I will ask Nishu that if she have any doubt.
Yes, sir.
So okay, Semi, what is the problem?
So there is a line if str1 dot count of 5 is greater than equal to 1.
Means
If
here what
line.
is happening that, as I said, first what is happening actually, first we have taken a string, right? Then what is happening that we are splitting the string. So the string is splitted into several, means suppose there are 6 words in the particular sentence. So after splitting using the split function, the words is splitted. Now we are counting. So whatever the words we are counting, each word if we are getting, that will be counted as one. Now here that if the count is one greater than one, means if any words that we have found that is greater than one. So suppose if there is a word we have found, suppose in your example that you have taken the sky. So the number of counted of sky. So how many times we are counting the sky? We will get 2. The value of the sky will be 2. So that's why that will be removed one time. We are going to consider only on those particular values that will be counted as 1, not more than 1. So this is the concept.
Oh. Yes, I got it.
Okay. So I think Nishu, still you have any query and any doubts? Okay. So we will have a discussion on that. So Shubham, you on rest of the participants go on with the linear search. Nishu, you also do the program on linear search. Okay. I will tell you. You can call me after the classes end. Okay. So I will explain you the process, and I think it will be resolved.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't take a stress, just go on with the linear search programming. That is much easier.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I can see Aniket, Nishad have joined the class. Aniket, are you there? Aniket, Nishad, are you there? Aniket, Nishad, Manisha Kumari.
Yes, sir.
So I can see that you have joined the class after almost 2-3 classes back. So is there
Yes,
any
sir.
particular reason for that?
सर वो पहले वाला लिंक में कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था, बार बार एरर दिखा रहा था, तो
No, इट्स ओके मैं आज के लिए नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ। मैं पिछले लास्ट प्रीवियस वीक में भी तुमने शायद क्लास अटेंड नहीं किया था, जहां तक मुझे याद है, और उसके पहले भी शायद एक क्लास तुमने अटेंड नहीं किया था। मैं उसके बारे
यस
में
सर।
पूछ रहा हूँ। मीन्स और मेरा थ्योरी क्लास में भी शायद मैंने लास्ट 1 वीक के थ्योरी क्लास में भी मैंने तुम्हें अटेंड करते हुए नहीं देखा है.
Yes,
So
sir.
any reason for that?
सर कोई रीजन नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं टाइम भूल जाते कि क्लास है.
क्लास का लिंक तुम लोग को पहले से भेजा जाता है.
यस सर.
So means you are not taking serious, you are not serious on this particular things actually. Okay.
सर नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Okay, we will look into it. No issues for that purpose. Okay, now just focus on the topic on the practical classes. Okay, do the
Yes, sir.
program of linear search and show me the output. And Aniket, Nishad.
So, so we just have to search for an element and we just have to return its index now.
Okay, yes, Shivam. Just you need to search, and in the output section you can write that yes, we have found the element and the element position is this index value. Only this particular output we need to see.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, yes.
Aniket, Nishad, are you there? I am going to ask you for one more time, and if I am not getting any type of response from your side, then I am going to remove you from the class, because this type of only joining by the link and no response, it is not required in the practical class. Shivam, just wait for a minute. Let me solve this problem first, and then I am going to check your code. So Aniket, Nishad, I am not getting any response from your side, so I will remove you from the class. Okay, fine. So Shivam, you can show your code.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, Shivam, it is visible, no issue. Okay, Shivam, found that index file. Wait a minute. Can you make it dynamic so that I can say a value and then it can be searched?
Okay, sir.
Okay, just do it. Okay, you can stop your share screen, write the code something like that so that I can tell a value that needs to be searched. You can put the list, you can make the list from your own, but take the value that needs to search from the user. I am saying this for everyone. Okay, you can make a list from your own site, that is not an issue, but do take the value from the user that we need to search. So if anyone have finished with the code, they can raise your hand. I can, so that I can check. So have anyone completed their code regarding the linear search? I don't think it will take much time. Linear search is a very easy program. Shubham Kumar Sharma have done. Okay, Shubham, you can share your code.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, the screen is visible, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shubham, you can run the code. Put any values in your list, no issue. Okay, okay, so you have put the values. Let us check the value for 8. Okay, it is found at the element found at index 1. 8. Is it 8 at index 1? 8 is the value of indexing is 0, I think.
Okay, sir. Then
Yes.
now it's fine, sir.
Yes, index 0 means the index position we are founding na. So if we are founding,
Yeah.
so index, if you have mentioned the index, so that's why I'm saying that it is in 0 position. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
if you just telling us the location as a user view, then it is 1, but you have mentioned index, so that's why it will be 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine, Shubham, thank you. Shivam Sinha, you
Welcome,
can
sir.
share your code.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. Okay, you can enter the number of elements 5. Okay, put the value, any value. Okay, Shivam, it is from your side, the value. Now search the value 1. Not found. Okay, fine. Run the code once again. Okay, 22. Fine. Okay, thank you, Shivam. It is also done by you from your side. Okay. So what is the status for Dolly, Pallavi, Nishu, Manisha, Afrin? So Afrin have some network issue, I think, because she texted me. Okay. So Dolly, Manisha, and Pallavi.
So I don't know why my output is not displaying.
Okay.
I
Keep
have written the
trying. Okay, just keep trying. We will check by that time. Manisha, Nishu, Pallavi.
So I'm trying to do it without using function, but my output is not coming.
I think no function is not needed. It will be very easy if you try to make it in a simple logic. Don't make it complex by using the functions. Okay, Nishu. Nishu have also used function here. Okay, fine. Run the code, Nishu. uh, Fine, 33. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, Nishu. So you have used the function. Manisha, what is how much cross
Sir,
progress?
बुला रहे हैं।
Manisha, have you done your code?
No, sir.
Okay. So, Dolly, you have some problem. Okay, Dolly, share your screen so that we can have a look. So you are trying to make it with the function. Dolly is trying to making it with the function. Alright. Define search. So you have used the function of search. Okay. Dolly, you didn't create any array or any list where the value or the list need to a list need to be there, na, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Dolly, just stop one time. I would like first Nishu just share your screen and tell us the process you have done with the function. So share your screen and tell us what you have done. Just describe us the process.
So firstly, so L1 एक लिस्ट है. अगर मुझे कोई सबसे पहले हम L1 को प्रिंट करवा दिए ताकि यूजर के लिए इजी हो, जो भी वो की एलिमेंट सर्च करना चाहता है वो देख के बोले. सबसे पहले L1 को प्रिंट करवाया.
Nishu. Just
Yes.
go on slowly. No need to hurry. No need to rush.
Okay, sir. So firstly, I created L1 list and then print this so that user can easily find the key element. So in this line, इस लाइन में हम इनपुट ले रहे हैं, यूजर से चाहते हैं वो कौन सा एलिमेंट को सर्च करना चाहता है, तो इस लाइन में वो किया. देन सर्च एक फंक्शन बनाया, सर्च उसमें एक लिस्ट पास किए हैं और एक की जो यूजर सर्च करना चाहता है. तो L1 में चला गया एक पूरा लिस्ट और की जो यूजर टाइप किया था. एंड L2 एक ब्लैंक लिस्ट बनाया, एक फ्लैग नाम का एक वेरिएबल नहीं जिसे फॉल्स से असाइन किए हैं और एक लूप चला रहे हैं जो लिस्ट n से पहले तक चलेगा, 0 to n-1 तक, और चेक कर रहे हैं लिस्ट के हर एक एलिमेंट को की से कि वो मैच कर रहा है या नहीं मैच कर रहा.
Okay, fine. So, Dolly, if you have any query, you can tell me or tell Nishu actually, so that she can answer your question or query. Dolly, Pallavi, I am telling you both those who are doing with function. And if anyone wants to, if anyone doing without function, then I will ask Shubham or Shivam, anyone to show. But let us first clear Dolly and Pallavi as they are doing with function. So Dolly and Pallavi, have any query from your side?
Then I am doing without function.
Okay, so Pallavi is doing without function. Okay, so Dolly, do you have any query?
L1 लिस्ट को ये नीचे में जो ली है वो हम लोग डेफिनेशन जहाँ डिफाइन जहाँ किए हैं, फंक्शन जहाँ लिए हैं उसके अंदर नहीं इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं.
नो, तो वो तो
बाहर
तुम्हारा
लाना पड़ेगा.
वो तो तुम्हारा फंक्शन को हम लोग क्या प्रोसेस होगा उसके लिए ले रहे हैं, और लिस्ट बाहर होगा. फंक्शन में तुम लिस्ट डालोगे तो कैसे होगा? फंक्शन कॉल कैसे करोगे फिर?
ओके सर.
ये तो बाद में सर्च का जो भी है प्रोसेस पे वहां पे हो रहा है.
ओके ओके
सर्च
सर.
सर्च फंक्शन को कॉल करके बाकी प्रोसेस हो रहा है. जो फंक्शन कॉलिंग में कैसे होता है, हम लोग फंक्शन में बस फंक्शन का प्रोसेस डिफाइन करेंगे, फंक्शन कैसे वर्क करेगा, राइट?
ओके सर.
ओके, तो नाउ आई वुड लाइक शिवम सिन्हा, आप अपना कोड शेयर करके विदाउट फंक्शन वाला आपने जैसे बनाए थे उसको शेयर करके उसको एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए. ओके, सो
सर विदाउट फंक्शन का नहीं बनाया था सर, हम फंक्शन के साथ बनाए थे.
शुभम शायद बनाया था ना विदाउट फंक्शन. शुभम,
Yes, sir.
okay, so Shubham, you can share the code and show and describe the process so that Pallavi have an idea.
Okay, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, Shubham, you can go on.
Linear search only, no, sir?
Yes, only the linear search.
So I've just do I need to explain also the insertion and all also?
No, only the linear search problem, only the linear search part.
Yeah. So I have taken a simply a
Okay. Wait, Shubham is
method.
also taking the function. Shubham is also doing with the function. So as Pallavi is doing without function, so, can no one have done without function, na? Okay, just wait a minute. Then I am going to do it without function.
So can I explain?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so basically what we can do, we can just take a loop, okay, from range I to n to the last number, and then inside that we can just take a temporary variable to which we have to check that if the number is present in the array or not, like the searching element. Okay, and then inside the loop we can just simply compare, and we can take any variable like flag or count, and then we can assign that as a value of 1. Initially we'll assign that as 0, and if the condition become true, like if if I is equal to the searching element, then the count will become 1, and at last when we'll come out of the loop, then if the count has become 1, then it will show the index, the ith index, like the index where it has become 1, like we'll use break. Okay, so that when we come out, then it will show the current index, and that's it,
Okay.
like without using functions.
Just a minute. Okay, I'm doing it without function, and I will show you. Okay, the link is going to end. Just reconnect with the link. Okay, just quickly reconnect with the link, and we will have a discussion on that, and then we are going to end today's session. Okay, so the link will disconnect at any time. Just reconnect with the link again.